now I will open just google.com. Okay. Then I will type LaTex. LaTex is a compiler, so I will type LaTex. Okay, I will press enter. It will go to the first website, latex.org. I can click here, latex.org. I can click on download. I can click on download. So I will open Google and then type LaTex and click the first link, latex.org. Then click on that menu, download. Then whatever operating system your machine have, you can choose that operating system. My machine have Windows, so I will choose Windows installer. The size was 135 MB. I can click download. I can click download. Yes, my file is downloading. Wait for a few more seconds. Basic LaTex software. If you have any queries, is it clear? LaTex is a typesetting document. Each and every markup starts with backslash. You can write a simple program and then compile using LaTex compiler. Then it will generate a beautiful output. Okay. So initially I can download basic LaTex compiler. After downloading, I can click on that exe file. After downloading, just I can click on that exe file. It will don't run. It will say don't run. I can click on more info. I can click on more info. Then click run anyway. Then I accept the license agreement. I accept the license agreement. Then press next. Then install LaTex for my user only. So next. So the path, I won't change the path. I will press next again. Then which perfectly fit for A4 format. Okay. Then I will start installing. So it will take few more seconds. Okay. LaTex is a compiler. So I will open Google, then type LaTex. Then I can download the software, which comprising of all those basic packages. So which will be installed in our machine. So initially I can download LaTex and then install the software. So I will open Google and then I will type LaTex, then download the LaTex software, then just double click and press next. The entire LaTex software which will be installed in my machine. It's a basic compiler, so which comprising of only basic class file and style file and bibliography file. If you need the entire style file, then I will it installing, which take few seconds. I will go to Google and I will search TextLive. Please listen here. TextLive. I will click on ISO mesh, then download from CTAN archive. Please see here, the size of TextLive is 4.8 GB. The size of TextLive is 4.8 GB. If you download and install TextLive, so all the class, all the style, all the bibliography files are available. Anyway, currently we need only minimum version is enough. Whatever style needed, I have download from CTAN archive website. Don't waste my memory space. Okay. So I can install LaTex. So LaTex is a compiler only. It comprising of only minimum number of class and style file. TextLive, which is a package which comprising of all style class file along with LaTex package. Okay. So it takes few seconds. Then I will Google it again. Then I need an editor. Second, I need an editor. So I will search Text Studio, Text Maker or Text Studio. I will go for Text Studio. So I click on Text Studio. Text Studio. Then I can download here. So Text Studio is IDE, which is helpful for typing our code. Okay. Yes, here the installation was finished. I will click next. Check for updates. Next. Yeah, close. So LaTex installation was completed successfully. LaTex installation was completed successfully. After installing LaTex, I can go for Text Studio. Okay. Text Studio is editor. So a similar way, I can click on Text Studio exe file. Click on Text Studio exe file. Then it will ask for admin password. I will enter admin password. Then it will ask for next. Yes. Installation path, install. So it will take few seconds. Already MikTeX was installed. After that, I will install Text Studio. Initially MikTeX, after that Text Studio. Yes, completed. Close. Now I will open my Text Studio. My Text Studio. Yeah. Yes, Text Studio was ready. The IDE was open. A normal thing, file, new. Yes, a new canvas was ready, named as untitled. So I will save. I will save inside my folder called as LaTex. I will create a folder named as LaTex. Inside that, I will save file as first.tex. The extension of LaTeX program, which is called as tex. So I will save the file in the extension first.tex. Save. So it won't have permission. So I will save it in my desktop. So first.tex. Yes, I will save. So entire thing was ready. I will zoom my screen. Okay. I hope my screen is visible. So I will type, the first line was /document. The pop-up was displayed. Please listen carefully. The pop-up was displayed. There are two options are available. One is document class, the name of the class. The second one is document class, square bracket key value and name of the class. So I will type document class, then open curly brace. The name of the classes, article. My first line was, I have wrote my first line, /document class article. Then my second line was /begin document. Automatically end document was placed. Begin document, automatically end document was displayed. So /document classes article, /begin document and /end document. Inside that I will type my content. Welcome you all. Welcome you all. I will execute using this green color button, build and view. Build and view. This is only for compile. This is for build and view. So I can click build and view. Double green color triangle. Double green color triangle. So I will click here. So if errors, which will be displayed here. Otherwise, it executed and view the output. Please wait a second. So build and view. The program was compiled. It will take few more seconds. Please wait. Compilation is in progress. Yes, compiled successfully. Yes, the output was displayed in the right hand side. My program was displayed in the left hand side. My output displayed here. Welcome you all. Yes, welcome you all. I will change something. Welcome you all to LaTeX workshop. I will execute the guide. Yes, it automatically updated here. Welcome you all to the LaTeX workshop. So whatever you have typed here, it automatically compiled and displayed here. That's fine. So I won't specify any font. I won't specify any style. It automatically formatted. It automatically formatted. Okay. I will start with the base. So /document classes article /begin document end document. Inside that you can type anything. Okay. So initially, wait a second. Initially, I will type a markup. I will type a markup here. Please listen carefully. This is what mandatory. So I will type a markup here, slash title, slash title. The title of my project was, my project report. My project reports. The author was something Raja. You can give everything. Okay. Now I will execute my file. Please listen carefully. Now I will execute my file. Nothing was modified. Nothing was modified. You can view here. I will write two preamble. But initially I told that slash document classes article slash begin document and end document. You can type anything inside begin document and end document. That's only displayed on your screen. But in the preamble, I have specified slash title, my title, slash author, the author name, but nothing was displayed. So I can type another markup. The markup named as slash make title. Make title is a markup which used to take entire preamble inside my document. Okay. Slash make title is a markup which used to take entire preamble inside my document. I will execute again. Yes, fine. Please listen carefully. Title was displayed in different font. In center align. Bottom which displayed as name was Raja, which in different font and different size, and also center align. Then automatically which display date 2. Automatically which display date 2. So this is what the front page was designed. Entire thing which will be displayed in top, correct? Entire thing which is displayed in top, the top of the page. You can type anything. My first experiment. Okay, I will execute. I will give how many spaces here? I will give 4 spaces, 4 line. I will give 4 line space. But here there is no line space. So LaTex automatically typeset your document. LaTex automatically typeset your document. I will give 4 spaces, but there is no space. Yes, fine. I will press enter, enter, enter. But here there is no spaces. I will give space, 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 space. I will execute. The document was no space. It's added to first line. How to separate these documents? How to separate these documents? Everything here there is a markup. Everything here there is a markup. So I will use a markup double slash. This is a markup for new line. I will execute. Yes. Again I will give a double slash. Yes. Again I will give a double slash. So automatically typeset your document. Double slash is a markup. Please note it down. Double slash is a markup which used to create a new line. Double slash is a markup which used to create a new line. Okay.